Imagine standing in front of a table filled with all your favorite desserts. Gulab jamun, ice cream, pastries, and everything you love is right there on the table. You might have felt that delicious thing to eat, but can you eat it all at once in one single bite? No, until you are a 5-year-old toddler. Hi, this is Divya Punia from grade 8C of Delhi Public School, Bijnor. Life today feels a lot like the scattered table. We try to do everything at once, achieve success fast, stay connected to everybody, maintain our passions and hobbies like painting, singing, etc. etc. But in all this, we forget something very simple: how to truly love one thing at a time. Do you ever talk to someone? Not talking, but really listening to that person. No phones, no distraction, just completely understanding that person. That conversation might have felt special, right? Okay, I think I'm getting way too serious. When we were kids, we used to play with one toy at a time, just completely lost in that thing. No distraction, not so much work on our head, and nothing. That was the pure joy. But as we grew up, we forget to do it. We have been taught that staying busy means we are successful. But by doing so, we feel empty, stressed, and that's the cost of trying to do everything at once. You know what Swami Vivekananda says? He says, while you do one thing, focus on it and pour your whole soul and body into that one single work. Okay, we all know Apple, not the one that keeps doctors away, but the brand Apple. Yeah, you get it, iPhone, right? Okay. You know, in the 1990s, Apple was struggling very hard. So Steve Jobs did something bold thing. He cut down almost everything because at that time, both customers and employees were completely confused. By doing so, his company eventually grew and they faced profit at that time and eventually led to the production of iPhone, iMac, iPod and everything, you know. Okay. When we go and market, we buy one thing, so we like it. But when we buy many things, we get confused. You know what? Focusing on one thing doesn't mean that we have less. It means that we are feeling more. Guys, focus like a laser light and don't focus like a flashlight, because by doing so, you will understand it better and stay peaceful and calm at the time. At last, but not least, I dare to challenge you all sitting here that when next time life gives you choices, just pause. Choose one thing, understand it, and do exceptionally better. Because sometimes doing one thing and experiencing it fully means that you have achieved everything. Thank you and have a wonderful day.